how to update Roblox on PC. So first, you just need to uninstall your Roblox first, and to do that, just go to your Windows menu right here, then search for Roblox. Once you have it right there, just tap on uninstall. You will see it here at the bottom. Tap on that, then tap on uninstall right there. And it will say Roblox is being uninstalled, just need to wait for it. So once Roblox is uninstalled, you just need to open up your browser. I have mine right here, so we'll just go to roblox.com. Wait for it to load. Then we just need to open up a game that we want. So let's say we'll open Blox Fruits. Then just tap on play. As you can see, Roblox is now loading. You just need to wait for that, and this will pop up, download and install Roblox. Just simply tap on that. This will pop up right here also. Tap on save. Then tap on the exe file that was downloaded here. And as you can see, it says installing Roblox. You just need to wait for it. And once Roblox is installed, it will basically stay up to date, or it will have the latest update needed. And now we have the latest update for Roblox, and we can now go play any game that we like. That's how you basically update your Roblox on PC.